Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A10s and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to About Phone. Here we have to find the build number, which should be probably in the software information, and as you can see the build number is right here, and all we have to do right now is simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now we can go back in order to find actually the developer options, which are just under the About Phone, so they are in the general settings. So let's tap on it in order to enter. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced options which we can customize. So for example, we can change window animation scale, we can show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options connected to the Bluetooth, and so on and so on. We've got system tracing, actually quite a lot of options to customize to turn on or off. So in order to activate the feature, all you have to do is simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it is immediately activated and applied. Obviously, you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher. You can also tap on those options without the switchers in order to open much more advanced settings, for example, like here in this window animation scale. So if you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off just by tapping on the switcher at the very top. After tapping on it, you can see that the options aren't active, so you cannot change them. Obviously, you can turn them on again here, but after getting back, you can see that the developer options simply disappeared. But obviously, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your Samsung Galaxy A10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.